Right, well, you asked for it. For some reason, people actually liked the day in the life, so we're doing another one. We got quite a lot of stuff to do today, so I'll take you along. First things first, we've just come back from SneakerCon. If you haven't seen that last video, go check it out. It's a good one. I've got to rearrange all the stock again, and we also made some nice pickups, which we'll get into now. SneakerCon was good. There was a lot of sellers, so it wasn't the best for selling a lot of stock, but it was good to pick up some new stuff. We did pick up from SneakerCon are some Red Thunders. These are Jordan 4 Red Thunders. We picked up 3 pairs of these. I think we agreed on 325 a pair. Ask is around 380 on these, so I'm not complaining. It's good as well at SneakerCon because you can get them authenticated with the eBay pop-up there. These are the other 2 pairs. We also picked up 2 pairs of Midnight Navies, size 9.5 and a GS6Y. We've got another 2 pairs of these coming as well. And I'll be really honest, I can't remember how much I paid for them, so I need to check that. It's around 40 to 50 below StockX. And finally, we bought a bunch of Lost and Founds. We bought a total of 18 pairs of Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Why, you may ask? Well, all of my pairs that I hit for retail literally sold within a couple days. So we restocked on this SKU, 18 pairs, all sizes 8 to 10, and we picked them up for around £305 to £310 a pair. And I've already sold a couple of these for £360 to £400. So some nice profit to be made on them. As I always say, all of my stock is usually only hit for retail, but what I've been trying to do recently is get into more of the resell flipping game. The reason why I say that is, yes, I hit a lot of pairs botting, and I probably don't need to pay resale for these sneakers. For example, the Lost and Founds, I hit over 5 of these on release, and I made like, what, £500 profit from that? The reason why I'm getting more into the reselling game is in buying for resale and selling for higher, because this is technically what's more consistent and safe. Botting is great, botting is fun, botting is great, I make a load of money from it, but why can't I bot as well and also get into the reselling flipping game? So I've just started to get into it a little bit more, so I've been buying a little bit of pairs. Sorry if I do sound a bit ill, been feeling absolutely rough as anything the last couple of days. We've just had a nice bulk shipment of these coming in. We did hit these for retail, they were quite easy to hit. We didn't go too crazy on them, we hit around 20 pairs, mainly focused on GS pairs, but here's them. There you go. I was calling them bricks, but I've already sold half my pairs for profit. Someone's bricks is another man's house. Is that the saying? I don't know, it sounds quite stupid to me. There we go, all sorted. Look at that little cave I've made. What the? Literally sold, I think, 17 pairs of these, and we only have like 21. Just gonna take some photos of the Lost and Founds as well, and get them listed up to our private client. And the rest of the to-do list is a lot of editing. That's exactly what we're gonna do right next. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day in the morning. First thing I do in the morning is plan out my day. Basically, just write a list of things to do. Record some TikToks, upload the SneakerCon video because that's gonna go out tonight. Ship some sneakers. We've got 19 pairs to ship off today, so that's quite going to take majority of the day. Finish off recording this video and start editing it, and also support within my group. That's our jobs for today. Let's get shipping off. The first pair we have sold, which leads me on to say, this is one of the best ever brick flips I've done. These were sitting on a certain retailer, which I won't name, meaning you'd get the sneaker for around £120. eBay sales were at £170 to £200. That is a sneak peek of what you get within Kaikicks Apprentice, because we told all of our members about this, and it was as simple as a shoe that was sitting in stock was able to make £70 profit. So these are sold for £180, and we bought them for £125, so a very good brick flip. We also bought loads more, which was sold in the last week. And Kaikicks Apprentice members feasted on this. It's just one of the things we do provide in the group. Obviously, we have all the other information like sneaker releases, how to copy them, how to start botting, Nike stock numbers, raffle stock numbers, one-on-one support, anything you need, all within the group. Kaikicks Apprentice, top link in the description. But yeah, this brick flip was nuts. Another pair of flax slides, size 11. Sold these in the lives for £15 profit. Happy days. This was also another very easy cop that leave it a bit of time for prices settle, you can make some profit on them. First thing we did sell was 16 pairs of the Jordan 11 cherries. Again, these move pretty fast. I've made profit on them. A lot of people will say these bricks, but I make money on bricks. Obviously, it's a bit of labor to get all these packed up, but a lot of these people have bought multiple, so it's not even that bad. Yes, profit margins ain't the highest. We're making around the £10 to £15 per pair, but while things are a bit dry, these keep us ticking, because it's nearly 20 pairs, around £10 to £15 profit. It's over £200 profit made on this brick. These packages are all boxed up. Let's go get these shipped off. It's winter season now, boys. It is getting cold. Almost like my car was made to fit 16 parcels in. At the post office now, I'm not going to take the camera in because I'm by myself, so I'll just go drop off these. Parcels dropped off. There's nothing more satisfying than dropping off the parcels and then the Royal Mail van come and collect it. Doing a Starbucks for a drink and some food, and I need to plan out a couple of things. So like, it sounds stupid, but like going through all my DMs, Instagram, business emails and so on. So I like to just go and sit down and do it and get it all done within an hour. So we'll do that, then go cop a haircut, and then record some more videos. Jesus, look at the size of that crate. I'll be really honest, I started making this video and I just completely forgot about it. So I'm picking it up on a completely different day. Just did our live stream for Voct, so we auction all these sneakers off for quite cheap. And we got quite a lot of sales. Yet again, we're shipping off more shoes. I know it feels like we're always shipping off shoes, but when you're a sneaker reseller, that is pretty much most of your day. You're buying and selling shoes. But today we also hit a fair couple pandas, which was nice on the Nike app. Our members feasted on that as well. Pop up all the success from the group. Jeez, there's over like £40 profit on each pair. And I think altogether, like we must have copped over 100 pairs as the group. Yeah, we're gonna package off these sneakers. This is like the usual setup I have, and I'm shipping off boxes. But I need to put all these away first. So what you need, scissors, tape, and your shoes and your shipping boxes. The first things first, Red Thunder's UK 9. I'll always check the shoes first, make sure left and right, make sure the right size. And these are all ready to go. Bought these for $3.20 at SneakerCon, and they're sold for $3.85. Happy days. Get your box, wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Next up is a Lost and Found UK 9.5, as you can see here. You would have saw in the SneakerCon video, we bought these for $310, sold for $375. So nice profit on them. Next up, we've got some infrared size 8.5. Hit these for retail quite a long time ago. So I got these for 180. These are sold for £305, which is really nice. Now, I know you're all going to grill me because I'm still using normal parcel tape. I'm not using tape gun. But honestly, for shoes, I actually package quicker with just normal tape and scissors. Next up are fire shoes. This is Dunk Low Oceans, if you know about these. These released quite a long time ago now. Size 5, these sold for £140. This is a 9.5, so we'll get this shipped off. And that is all the sales for today. And let's go get these shipped off. But it's been an alright week for sneakers. Also, we just had that Panda drop, so we hit quite a lot of pairs of them, which is nice. But my biggest thing is we've been absolutely killing it in the group. We just run a used sneakers group buy, which meant people could get the best Nike sneakers bought for a discounted price. We've got used sneakers just in time for the Panda drop and absolutely feasted. Obviously, the only thing you need is proxies. And proxies for Nike, if you do bot Nike, you know how important proxies are. We ran a group buy the same day for a discounted price for one of the top ISP providers that almost always sold out. Just in that one day of the group, we scored loads of group buys for a very discounted price to set them up for sneaker botting and hit multiple pairs. Now there is a bit of a gap for sneakers now, I'll be honest. Christmas time is not really much happening, so I'm just getting more stock in and more stock out. You can calculate all the profit I've made if you want to from this day or video, but I'll be seriously honest with you guys. Obviously I track it for my spreadsheets and taxes and whatever, but I don't see this money coming in really, because as soon as I get money in, I'm buying a bulk deal or as another release I'm just reinvesting more money into, which I do really recommend everyone who is starting off reselling to do the exact same thing. Reinvesting is the biggest thing. But I do think that is going to end off today's video. If you do want to join the group, then top link down in the description below, but we're going to get these shoes shipped off. You don't need to see me do that. Drop a like, drop a comment what you think of today's video, and please do subscribe to the channel because we are getting close to that 7,000 subscriber mark. Good luck in all your releases, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.